The yoga is a great ancient Indian practice with many benefits for life. Yoga is practiced worldwide today with a huge popularity, especially in Western countries. Yoga is an old art in which body is connected with mind. It is a type of exercise through which all elements of body are linked with mind with the help of meditation and relaxation. It is defined as the act of emptying the mind to have interaction with inner self. Body and soul get connected through yoga. A balance between body and soul is possible through yoga. Yoga is a Sanskrit language word which means union and discipline. It is a breathing exercise in which one learns to control movements of different organs of body and connect body with soul. Yoga was introduced from the Indian subcontinent by the followers of Hinduism and Buddhism. Those who performed it were called yogis. Slowly and gradually, it spread to the Western countries. Nowadays, all around the world, people do yoga to keep their body and mind connected and to lead a healthy life. India is very famous because of yoga. The one who teaches yoga is called yogi. A yogi is revered and respected by his followers. Most importantly, it is an exercise which people belonging to all religions can perform. Yoga has become very famous throughout the world. Every year, 21st June is celebrated as the International Yoga Day all around the globe. On this day, awareness is spread among people about benefits and importance of yoga. Basically, it originated from India and spread like wildfire throughout the world.
When I practiced yoga, I felt very peaceful and disciplined. It is an amazing experience to unite the body and its organs with soul through meditation. One who learns to meditate, he or she can transcend from bodily existence and can reach peaceful state of mind which brings harmony in life. One learns to get control over physical self, emotions and desires and attains spiritual self. Yoga is a very beneficial exercise because one can control his or her own body through meditation. Yoga is a rich source of releasing stress and anxiety. One who practices yoga starts uniting soul with others and experiences self-discipline. It unites people in brotherhood, harmony, and peace. People of all age can perform this exercise. Yoga is quite useful exercise because it provides relief and keeps mind and body away from ailments. It strengthens our soul and gives us sweet feelings of healthiness. It sharpens our wit and improves our intellect. Regularity of yoga creates self-awareness and makes one disciplined. It helps shun negative thoughts and finish elements of negativity. It develops higher level of patience. It gives sound mental clarity and boosts the intelligence. It is the most effective breathing exercise. Those who perform yoga, their respiratory system works well and they never get any respiratory disorder. The peace and tranquility descends through meditation. One who enjoys peace of soul also shares peace with others.
On 27 September 2014, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, during his speech at the United Nations General Assembly, proposed the idea of practicing Yoga Day. In his speech, Modi termed yoga as an invaluable gift of India's ancient tradition and highlighted the importance of yoga for maintaining harmony between man and nature. The draft resolution passed by India was backed by 177 nations, and the first International Yoga Day was celebrated on June 21, 2015. With the COVID-19 pandemic exacerbating psychological suffering and mental health problems, many people have been embracing yoga to stay healthy and to fight isolation and depression. I wish everybody will practice yoga to stay physically and mentally healthy. Jai Hind.